Trading journey, the first and most important thing that can really make a difference is choosing the right broker. A good broker can help us trade better and reach our goals faster, while a bad one can make things difficult. In this video, I'm going to talk about why I chose Pepperstone over other brokers. I'll also show you how to create a Pepperstone account and how to use it directly on TradingView with a funded account. So make sure you stay with me until the end. So why did I choose Pepperstone in the first place? Well, Pepperstone is one of the largest Forex brokers in the world. It handles an average of $12 billion in trades every single day and has over 110,000 active retail trading accounts. That alone shows how trusted and widely used it is. But that's not all. Pepperstone uses A-book execution, also known as ECN-style execution. This means that my trades go directly to the market, with no dealing desk and no trade manipulation. That gives me fast execution, low latency, and direct market access. They're also fully licensed and regulated by 7 different authorities. 4 of these licenses are top tier, which only the most trusted and high-quality brokers have. Another thing I love about Pepperstone is that it supports 5 different trading platforms, including direct integration with TradingView. This means I can analyze my charts and place trades all in one place, right from TradingView, without switching to another platform. It saves me time and keeps things simple. And on top of all that, Pepperstone offers raw spreads. 0 commissions on commodities like gold and silver. 0 commissions on major indices like the US 30 and the NASDAQ 100. For deposits and withdrawals, there are a lot of convenient options including crypto, bank transfers, credit and debit cards, and even mobile money services in some regions. Verifying your account is also super easy. The KYC process is simple, and they accept a wide range of documents. Plus, their customer support is available 24/5 and serves clients in over 150 countries. You can use Pepperstone whether you're in Europe, Asia, Africa, or the Americas, pretty much anywhere except for the United States. Now let's talk about the platforms. Pepperstone gives you access to 5 different trading platforms. The most unique one is TradingView. What makes it different is that Pepperstone connects directly to TradingView, not through any third-party tool or copy. You just link your Pepperstone account directly, and that's it. I'll show you how to do that later in the video. The other available platforms are MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, CTrader, and Pepperstone's own WebTrader. You can choose whichever one fits your trading style best. Pepperstone also offers 2 types of trading accounts. The first one is the standard account. It comes with slightly wider spreads but no commission fees. Even with the wider spreads, I've found that Pepperstone still offers lower rates than many other brokers. That makes it great for beginners or more casual traders. The second one is the Razor Account. This one is built for active traders like me. It gives you ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips, depending on the instrument, and charges a small commission, just $7 per round turn lot on Forex. But the best part? There are 0 commissions for commodities like gold and silver, and for indices like the NASDAQ 100. That's why the Razor Account is my personal favorite. So how do you create a Pepperstone trading account? First, go to the description of this video or check the pinned comment. I've added a direct link to the registration page. Click on the register button at the top right corner of the page. Now you'll see a few sign-up options. You can use your email and create a password, or for faster registration, you can sign up using your Apple, Google, or Facebook account. In this example, I'll choose to sign up with Apple. After that, you'll be asked to fill in a few details. First, select your country. Pepperstone accepts clients from almost every country except the United States. Next, choose your account type, then enter your first name, last name, and your date of birth. Make sure everything matches your ID or passport exactly to avoid any issues during verification. Enter your phone number, check the box to agree to receive updates, and click Continue. Once your Pepperstone account is created, you'll see a message that says, "Your account is created now." Click on Set up a live account to continue. Now you'll be taken to the next step where you can choose the trading platform. I'll select TradingView for this tutorial. Next, choose your account type, set your leverage. I'll go with 1/100 and select your preferred currency. I'll choose US dollars, then click Continue. Now you'll need to fill out your employment and income information. Just enter your current details and click Continue. After that, you'll be asked about your trading experience. I selected more than 2 years and clicked Continue. Next, you'll need to enter your address. Double check that everything is accurate, then click Continue. You'll now be taken to the Terms and Conditions page. Check the box to agree and click Next. Finally, you need to verify your account. Click on this Begin Verification. You'll need to upload a government-issued document, such as a passport or national ID. You can also scan the QR code on your phone and finish the verification from there. Once your documents are submitted and approved, you'll be redirected to your Pepperstone dashboard. If you ever want to create another trading account, just click Add Trading Account and repeat the same process. Now let me show you how to deposit funds into your Pepperstone trading account. Start by clicking the Add Funds a Barn button. Then choose the trading account you want to fund. So in my case, I'll select my TradingView account. You'll now see a variety of payment methods. For this example, I'm going to deposit using cryptocurrency. I'll enter the amount, $100 and click I confirm amount. Next, you'll be asked to choose which crypto you want to use. I'll select USDT and choose the Binance Smart Chain as my network. Then I click Continue. Pepperstone will now give me a deposit wallet address. I'll head over to my crypto wallet, send the funds to that address, and complete the payment. After the deposit is complete, I'll be redirected to the dashboard, and I can now see the $100 has been added to my TradingView account. Then I click Done. Now let me show you how to connect your Pepperstone trading account to TradingView. First, go to TradingView.com. At the bottom of the page, you'll find there's a trading panel. There, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Find Pepperstone in the list and click on it. It will ask you to sign in to your Pepperstone account. Since I'm already signed in, it just asks me to approve the connection. Once approved, you'll see a list of your trading accounts, and your balance will also appear. Now let's take a trade directly from TradingView. So let's say I want to open a sell trade. First, I'll adjust my position. I'll set the lot size, stop loss, and take profit. Below the chart, click the Trade Bracket button. Since I want to sell, I'll click Sell. If I wanted to buy, I would click Buy. But right now, I'll go ahead with a sell. In the center, you'll see the Euro spread. As you can see, it's on 0 euros for the Euro-US dollar pair, meaning there is no difference between the bid and ask price. You'll also notice the available order types: market, limit, and stop E. I assume you're already familiar with those. Next, I'll choose the lot size and set my stop loss and take profit directly from the chart. TradingView shows exactly how much I'm risking and how much I can potentially earn. Then, I click on Sell to take the trade. Now you can see the position on the chart. The trade is live. There's 0 spread on the Euro-US dollar. To close the trade, I can simply click the X next to the trade at the bottom of the screen, or click the X on the trade line on the chart. And that's it. You now know exactly how to create a Pepperstone account, fund it, and connect it directly to TradingView to start trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help.